Loud, mysterious booms have been reported in many towns across the US. In Pennsylvania, they've been heard for months, but it seems that authorities are now getting involved. The FBI and Pennsylvania State Police are now investigating. Authorities are asking that those who notice anything odd call police immediately, and not investigate on their own. What's strange is that no one seems to be able to identify where the noises are coming from, or what is making them. The majority of people reported that the sounds happened between 1 AM and 4 AM. One witness said the following: "It's like a really loud boom. I could feel it shaking our house. It's so loud that it actually scares my daughter." Local police have been receiving reports of the sound since early April. Since the booms have been happening, there have been many theories, but as of today none of these have been proven. What's odd is that usually when these sort of things happen, it's normally only a handful of people who witness it, but in this case the numbers goes into the thousands. Wheat Ridge Police Department spokesperson says police are likewise baffled. "We've had descriptions that are everything from a transformer blue, to a sonic boom that you might hear when an aeroplane passes overhead, or a jet passing close by. Fireworks sometimes makes loud booms without the crackly noises associated. The challenge for us is that there isn't any evidence of what this could be." Another witness said the following about the mysterious booms: "I was laying in bed with my dog when she started to act strange. She was dragging her belly on the floor and kept trying to hide herself underneath the bed. This was strange behaviour as normally she's very brave. However, not long after doing this I heard these weird noises. They sounded like loud bangs. They were so loud in fact the windows in my house shook. I thought that it may have been a military jet, but I didn't see a plane. When I heard the sound it felt like it was only 100 feet from my house. It's not just me hearing this. All of my neighbours have told me they are hearing it as well. I have no idea what it could be." Another witness had this to say: "I used to hear them occasionally when living on the northwest side. Once at 4 AM, I happened to have stepped outside on an extremely quiet Sunday morning when I heard a sound like a huge boom. Suddenly there was a crackling sound like static electricity, and a huge translucent purple mushroom cloud rose above the rooftops to the west. Blue lightning streaks started inside the cloud and then it just disappeared. I have no idea what caused it. It's quite clear that people are hearing something, but what do you guys think is making these noises? Let me know your theories in the comments." Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.